Hi. How to link already created GRN to a customer sales order. In this example, we will take the customer sales order number 90. Go to Reports, GRN Reports, List of GRN PODC. Select the date range. In the list of GRN, click on the item of a particular GRN number. In the pop-up, select the customer name. Select the particular sales order. Select the sales order item. Click Update SO. Now if we go to the sales order project costing sheet and refresh, we can see that whole GRN is listed in that particular sales order project sheet. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your organization. Thank you.